I'm back with another U-part wig creation. If you're interested in seeing how I put this wig together and or the hair that I used, stay tuned. Let's get into it. Alright folks, here I am prepping my dome cap as well as my mannequin. This time I got a more see-through cap. I'm not sure if I like this dome cap versus the one that isn't see-through. But I got it anyway. And here you can see me putting my glue on with my hot glue gun. Keep in mind it does get very hot. Use maybe something like a comb or something to press the hair down into the glue, because on a couple occasions I kind of burnt my hand. Not burned it bad, but I felt it. So anyway, be safe in all that you do when working with this hot glue gun, because again, it is hot. Here you can see it from an alternate view. Basically, I was flipping the tracks. I was not cutting the tracks at all. And don't be scared if in fact you get a little bit of this glue in the hair. It dries so fast and it comes out so easily off of the strands. It's not like weave glue that gets, once it's in there, it's in there. It's not like that. So don't be afraid of that. It worked all out. I know you see these strands that are coming from the hair as I'm applying the glue, but there was no problems. I got them all out once I was done installing the hair. Alright, so at this point I have in 2 full bundles with a third one to put in. And it's really full. So I'm going to keep going. And I'm up to here. So I have that much to go. So I'll keep going. Now I'm close to the end and I'm closing up my U part. And I'll show you what it looks like when I'm completely closed. Alright, so I've cut the cap out, and this is the finished product, and the U is not that big. It looks big, it's not that big. And it's a deep part, so I'm going to wear it on the side. So I'll show you after installation. Okay, bye. Alright, so this is the final result. It's blended, installed properly. I like it. It fits well. So what I'll do is I'll come back in maybe 2 weeks or so and let you know how the hair holds up. Hey folks, don't forget to stick around and look at some of my other videos. In particular, check out my video of the first impression of the hair that I used for this U-part wig. It is from Atlanta Bundles Boutique. And if you're interested in checking them out, do so. But until next time, hugs!